morning, welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today's recipe is a healthy starter. The recipe is restaurant style sweet corn chili. This is a very healthy starter as mentioned. The ingredients required to do our restaurant style sweet corn chili is I have taken the frozen corn, or you can take the actual corn, along with corn flour, rice flour, tomato ketchup, chili powder, chili sauce, bell pepper, onions, garlic, green chili, followed with oil and salt. So these are the ingredients required to do our restaurant style sweet corn chili. The first step to do our restaurant style sweet corn chili is we need to boil our sweet corn. So I have taken the water. I am adding the corn kernels into it. Make it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it starts boiling, please strain the water and keep it aside. Friends, you can find the corn kernels are nicely getting boiled. You can find it has come out so soft. So this is a time we need to off the stove and strain the corn kernels completely and keep it aside. Friends, the second step is the strained corn kernels. We are going to add it in a bowl, and we are going to add the corn flour 2 tablespoons and rice flour 1 tablespoon. If needed, we can add it as we mix it. Both the flour is needed just for binding the corn flour for frying. So I am going to add both. First I am adding the rice flour 1 spoon, followed with corn flour 2 tablespoons. Mix it well. It has to get binded in the corn kernels very nicely. The corn kernels are binded well with our corn flour and rice flour. So next, let us see what is the next step. So friends, you can find our corn kernels is nicely binded with corn flour and rice flour. We need to take little by little and fry it in the oil until it is into a golden crispy brown. So oil in the pan and start frying little by little. So friends, you can find our corn kernels are nicely fried into a golden brown. So let us see what is the next step to do our restaurant style sweet corn chili. The same non-stick pan for which I have used the corn to fry. I am adding a tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 small chopped green chili. Followed with that I am going to add 1 chopped onions. Fry it nicely. You can find our onions is got a slight golden color. At this stage we are going to add our chopped green bell pepper. Toss it well. So you can find our bell peppers is nicely tossed. At this stage we are going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, followed with the required amount of salt. And we can add either pepper powder or red chili powder. I am going to add for a change red chili powder 1 tablespoon. You can add as per your spice level and mix it well. All our sauces are nicely gelled. At this stage we are going to add our fried corn kernels. After adding it, please keep the gas in the high flame and nicely fry it and off the stove. You can find our restaurant style sweet corn chili is ready to be served hot. It's ready to be displayed. So while stirring it, please keep the gas in high flame and mix it well, and it's ready to be displayed. Friends, here goes our lovely crispy restaurant style sweet corn chili. It's a healthy starter, so please do try this recipe. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.